Do you want to change the clock style and color on your lock screen? In this video, I will show you how to change the clock color and style on your lock screen in Motorola. So let's get started. First of all, press and hold on the lock screen. Then tap on Customize lock screen and unlock your phone. You can also access this option through your phone settings. After that, double tap on the clock section. Now at the bottom, you can change your clock style. Here, choose your preferred style. After that, under the clock style, you can choose the color. To add a more eye-catching color, tap on the color wheel icon. Now tap on spectrum. Now choose your preferred color from the spectrum. Once you are happy with the color, tap on add icon in the bottom left corner. Then double tap on the back icon in the top left corner. Now go back to your lock screen. And as you can see, the clock style and color have been changed and it looks amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.